Hi there. After our gardening adventure, we decided to have another family outing, and this time we went to the zoo. The zoo is a place where you can see many different animals from around the world. We started by visiting the lions. They let out powerful roars, and the sunlight beautifully illuminated their majestic manes. Next, we saw playful monkeys swinging from branch to branch. Their playful behavior brought joyous laughter to us. We spotted tall giraffes munching on leaves, and their long necks reached high into the trees. As we strolled through the zoo, we discovered colorful birds with feathers of all shades. Some even talked back to us. The elephants were bathing in a pool, and we watched them spray water on themselves with their trunks. The day quickly passed as we wandered through every animal display. We preserved our joy in our digital camera and enjoyed an ice cream treat before heading home. The zoo visit was both educational and fun. We learned about animals and their habitats, making it a memorable day for the whole family.